Yo guys, yo. Yeah. I know you missed me. I missed you too. I've been busy. Even though I try to update every here and there. On Twitter, on Telegram, to try to keep you abreast of what is going on in the market. But the truth is, my hands are quite tight at the moment. Okay, um, let's let's talk chat. We know that this level, like the first overview video and subsequent videos, we discuss this particular level as very important, being very important. And right now, it's looking like it's gonna breach, but it doesn't mean it's still a big support. However, if this support fail, I have a fat bid set here around 23, 25 k. Okay, I'm not saying it's coming down to 23k. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying I have my bid set down here. Um, what might happen here is we might have like a week to clear money resting on the ear, money resting on the ear, money resting on the ear, and before like a reversal or a rally. Okay, and okay, that's just the point here is that BTC is at support, very critical support area. Okay, USDT dominance. Okay, we're not strange with this idea. You know, guess what? I try to update most on Twitter. Okay, we have this big W forming, and we have this focal level that we have been looking at, and but the summary is that we broke out eventually, and the implication for that uh is not strange. No. We are not alien to the implication. All right. So if anybody is saying there's so many uncertainty in the market, I'm sorry. I doubt, because unless you have not been falling, because you know the only thing is I make sure I said okay, 5 must long at least use stop loss, and if you have use stop loss, you won't be affected because you already know your risk management is tight. But if you don't set stop loss, I mean, it means you don't believe uh, this might happen. All right. That being said, presently now, I have this drum. Even though we have not formed the trend line, then but the traditional or textbook definition of a trend is where 3 point means and all of that. But it doesn't have to be 3 point. Anyways, that's not the idea. That's not the purpose for this video. Okay. Presently, we are USDT dominance is facing a huge resistance. Okay, the horizontal resistance and this trend line, and if by magic it flip, then it might just be a week up here. I don't see it break these two resistance and they go and just be blowing like that. I don't see it. Okay, so it's likely it pull back here to retest this level or form a wick, just like I said about Bitcoin can just form a wick below to clear those money resting or under before going back up. The same thing apply here. Two things might just reverse immediately or just form a wick up and like a fake out before pulling back. Okay, uh so in essence, market is due for rally soon. Might not be main rally, might be just like a relief kind of rally. Okay, before continuation of downtrend, or maybe whatever it is, just take it one step at a time. what I'm seeing right now is market is due for rally soon. Soon, I just said soon, not saying now. Okay, yeah, that is me interpreting USDT dominance and what is happening to BTC right now. And for another tool we use, which is the total market cap. All right, I have this level markup. Yeah, all right. So I believe it's possible market to calm down here and then you know rally, or pull back, or just have to like but there's something here, it's like a shift in market cap. Because if you look at this was the last, lower high, all right, that formed this low, and then we broke this high, all right, and we have this, we call it other block, or whatever name you decide to give it, all right. But the idea is this other block here, and if you go down to lower time frame, you realize it's around this place. Okay, so this other block here, possible that it's gonna hold. I mean, it must hold, it has to hold for the sake of rally. All right, and then you see the three line up. USDT dominance facing resistance, BTC's at support, critical support, BTC USDT dominance at critical resistance, total market cap is at critical support as well. So it's all pointing toward uh, the same direction. All right, and and it has to point to the same direction anyways. So that's that. And if this way, we have this level, waiting to catch. All right. So basically, I don't want this video because it cannot even be much. I have to go now, and I hope you know you have been able to to this video is helpful, or will be helpful anyways. So you just have to wait for confirmation. Nothing is certain. No, I'm not saying now go and buy. I'm not saying sell. No, I'm just saying there's possibility that we are going to see rally uh very soon, like a pullback or something. All right. uh and maybe BTC dominance. Yeah, I have this level markup, and it's look at BTC dominance is breaking up, which is I want to see. I want to see BTC dominance going up. If you have been following me, you know why I want BTC dominance to be going up, because it's early for the market. It's early for the market. Why I've not um you know all this, why I've not been saying, oh, buy the dip, or why I've not been saying no, it's altcoin, it's all season or whatever, because I have two conditions. One is that BTC USDT dominance to be above 4 point, to be above a particular percentage, and it already did that. But the other condition is that BTC dominance should um you know be above 50%, but it has not done that. So that's why I've not been, because it's very important. Okay, market sentiment is it's important. It trumps TA. TA should be in alignment with market sentiment. If your TA is not in alignment with market sentiment, you just be blowing your account. All right, thank you. And before I go, make sure you subscribe, like, share. It motivates me to do more. Blessed.